In this video, I want to share with you a brand new method that no one is talking about, how you can promote Clickbank products on Pinterest. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt, and I create videos to help you start generating passive income in just 1 hour per day with affiliate marketing. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you are looking for different ways to start generating passive income every single day. And if you want my #1 recommended way to start generating passive income every single day, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start. Now, if you know anything about this channel, you know that I love Pinterest. The reason why I love Pinterest is because it's a great way to start driving traffic, organic traffic, anywhere you want. You can drive it to your YouTube videos, you can drive it to your affiliate offers. There's just a number of different opportunities. Now, Pinterest has also come up with a new way that you can start reaching your audience faster. And what I want to share with you is how you can take advantage of this new way to start generating traffic and making sales on Clickbank. So let's jump right over to Pinterest, and I just want to show you a couple things. First of all, let me show you my account. As you can see, I have received 93,000 monthly viewers from Pinterest, and I have a number of different boards. I have a number of different things set up so that I can generate traffic and send traffic to my YouTube videos, to my affiliate offers, and I'm actually sending them directly to affiliate offers with both free and paid traffic. And so what you need to do to get started with Pinterest is set up a free business account. If you type in business Pinterest account, it'll take you directly to the page, and you'll want to set that up because the business page has the analytics. Now, once you set up the account, it takes probably 5 or 10 minutes. Make sure that you add a website and verify that website. The reason why you want to verify that website is because it gives you a little bit of push, a little bit of a boost within Pinterest's ecosystem. Now, the one thing with Pinterest, and I just want to back up for a second, Pinterest is a search engine. It's also a social media site like Facebook and Instagram and all those other ones. So the difference between Pinterest and the other social media sites out there is that they actually encourage you sending your traffic to your blog posts, your YouTube videos, and your affiliate offers. So this is a good opportunity if you are an affiliate marketer and you feel like those other places are saturated. So now that you've seen my main account, let's take a look at the details of Pinterest. We click on boards here. Boards are like little walls if you're thinking about it in terms of Facebook. What you want to do is you want to have maybe 5 or 10 different boards that are all related. For example, as you can see, I have affiliate marketing, I have affiliate marketing on Pinterest, I have work from home, and so on. Most of the boards on here are related or geared towards affiliate marketing and making money from home. And so basically what you want to do is just go to new boards, set that up, and then in the beginning, because you probably don't have a ton of pins to set up, you'll need to go ahead and start pinning or repinning other people's boards. Now, to do that, you simply just go here and type in whatever your niche is. So for example, I'm going to type in affiliate marketing. And if I hit enter, you can see all of these different images. What you'll want to do is just find a few different ones and save them to all of your boards. Now, in my opinion, based on a little bit of watching other people's YouTube videos and a little bit of research, you probably want to upload at least 15 to 20 pins every single day. Now, I'm sure you're thinking 15 to 20 pins is a lot, but if you are repinning other people's pins, you really just need to pin your own pins maybe 10 or 15 times yourself. So the more pins the more pins that you can repin and share, the better, but you don't want to exceed 50 per day because that kind of gets excessive and you can actually lose ranking within Pinterest. So now that we have talked about the overview, the basics of Pinterest, let's talk about how you can start making money the new way. This way not many people are talking about, but it's an incredible opportunity. And I just want to show you, if I type in woodworking, if you type in woodworking and hit enter, you'll actually see the new way in action. As you can see here, there are a number of different videos. Videos are the new thing with Pinterest. Pinterest realizes that video marketing is much more engaging, much more high converting than the other types than just images. So what you want to do is you want to actually create images that will be engaging, that will capture your customer's eye, and they'll click your link and go to your product. And so what you can do, if you don't have any idea where to start, what I would recommend is repurpose other video content that you can find on the internet, whether it's your content, whether it's content from another social media platform like TikTok. Let me just show you an example of what I'm talking about on my board. So on boards, and I go affiliate marketing videos, if I click on this, I have a number of different videos. Some of these videos are re-uploads or cross posts from YouTube videos. Some of these longer ones are actually TikTok videos that have been repurposed. If you can create these longer pins like that, these will actually do a little bit better. They'll fare a little bit better because they'll take up more space on the mobile device. So what I certainly recommend is start uploading video to Pinterest. Now there is a limit to 30 minutes, and so you won't be able to just upload anything. And also remember too that most of these will play without audio. So if you can create something that's visually appealing, force people to click, you can actually start making money. And so what I want to do is I just want to quickly grab an affiliate offer over on Clickbank to kind of show you how all of this works. So I'm here in the Clickbank Marketplace. This is the place you'll be able to find different products to promote. If you don't already have a Clickbank account, it is free. Go to clickbank.com and create a free account. It takes probably 5 or 10 minutes. You get that set up and eventually you'll make it to the marketplace. The marketplace, as I mentioned, is where you can find different products and services to promote. So what we're going to do is we're going to find products within the e-business and e-marketing platform or category to promote. What you want to do is click the triangle that is to the left to niche down, and then we're simply going to click on affiliate marketing. Now that we have gotten here, we want to make sure that we sort by gravity. The reason why you want to sort by gravity is because the higher the gravity, the more success other affiliate marketers are having promoting the product or service. So we'll go here, we'll sort by gravity, and we have highest first, and the 12-minute affiliate system is the one that pops up. What you'd want to do next is spend a few minutes taking a look at the affiliate page as well as the sales page to make sure it's something that you feel comfortable promoting. So what you want to do here is right click and open up, right click and open up, and then just take a look and make sure this is something that you feel comfortable promoting. Also, there may be some videos that you can swipe and re-upload in order to start making money with the system. So if we scroll down just a little bit here, I believe there are videos that you could use for. So here is a video that you could potentially download and then re-upload in order to start making money. So I would go through here, make sure that you're 100% comfortable, and then also take a look at the sales page, make sure again it's something that you're comfortable with promoting. And once you have a handle, once you feel comfortable promoting this product, go ahead and click promote. Now, what I always recommend is adding a tracking ID. For this one, I'm just going to type in pin vid, because we're using Pinterest video. So I'm going to click on generate hop links. You can do one or two things from this point. You can copy this hop link and put it in a link shortener or URL shortener like bit.ly or shorten URL. The reason why you may want to consider doing this is because people can be turned off by this URL. It can look scammy, it can look spammy. People are expecting to go to the 12-minute affiliate system and they're being taken to F3, FB, 1Z, whatever. What you'd want to do is possibly copy and paste this into bit.ly or another link shortener and then get the shortened URL. For the purpose of this video, it doesn't really matter what you do at that step. But the next step is to basically just upload videos. And this is a very easy process. We're just going to click this plus sign here. We are going to create a pin. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab a pin that I've repurposed from a TikTok video. So I'm just going to click the plus sign here. I am going to just go back here and find one. But again, you can use any video that's shorter than 30 minutes. And I believe it has to be smaller than 2 gigabytes in 2 gigabytes in size. So what we're going to do is we're just going to find one real quick and I'll upload it. And then I'll actually show you a few different things that you can do as well. All right, so I went ahead and I grabbed a video that is repurposed from TikTok, and I'm just gonna pause this real quick. This is only a 15-second video, but it's good enough to start getting the ball rolling so that people can learn a little bit more about you and a little bit more about the product that you're promoting. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a title. We're just gonna say, can you order a pizza? And then we're just gonna add a little bit of information about the video. If you can order a pizza, you can make money online. You want to add in a few more relevant keywords, talk about how it's a new affiliate marketing program, and so on. After that, you want to add the tags. Now, these tags are a little bit different than the standard or normal pin that you find on Pinterest. It limits you to a certain number of pins it limits you to a certain number of tags that you can use. And from what I found, you can use affiliate marketing. You can use affiliate marketing. You can use marketing. There are about 6 or 7 tags that I use every single time. And then here, you can actually add in your affiliate link. Now, keep in mind that with Pinterest, they don't allow bit links. So what you'd want to do here is either enter in the full affiliate URL or send them to a landing page or a free bridge page. The purpose of the bridge page is to bridge the gap between your content that you've created. In this case, it's a Pinterest pin, as well as the affiliate offer. So you can do this for free with Wix or WordPress. What I'd actually recommend is that you use something like ClickFunnels, which I have a link to a 2-week free trial in the description, so that you can start collecting email addresses. So what I would do here is I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. This is my affiliate offer once again, and I am going to add it to the board of my choosing. And so because I like to keep all my videos together, I just click publish and then it gets added. Now, do keep in mind there's a 24-hour period that they have to take a look at the video. They want to make sure that it is in line with their expectations, with their mission and their vision. But as you can see with my board, I haven't had any problems with uploading different pins. So that's really it. And the reason why this is a new and better opportunity is because Pinterest is really pushing video content. So if I go back here to my Pinterest, you'll be able to see I have a number of videos and boards that are getting engagement. They're starting to get a little bit of traffic. So as you can see there. And if you want to know how I start generating passive income every single day, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Before I forget, I do want to inform you that some of the links that you will see in your description are affiliate links, and I do and can receive a commission if you click on those links and purchase a product.